Hey there, I'm going to explain something really quickly, and that's the difference in prompts between Suno version 3.5 and version 4. Suno 3.5 understands a certain structure, so we go really deep into that in the other video. Version 4 is made to understand context better. In plain language, say, write me a dark trap song about, and then put in a situation. You want the hook to be female, and you want the verses to be male. So just describe it in plain language in the style box. In 3.5, you want to put your mood and genre and instrumentation and describe the vocal in that order. Everything I talked about in the last video still applies. That information is still handy to have. But remember, with AI, you're trying to guide it to give you the result you want more quickly. I'm going to go into other features of version 4 in other videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.